In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in HubSpot. Start by opening your HubSpot account and locating the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and sits in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking that will open the main settings area where you control account-wide options. Once you're in settings, move your attention to the left sidebar. Click on General and then select the Email tab. This is where HubSpot keeps the controls for connected email accounts and signature settings. So it's the right place to make changes. Next, find the connected email account you want to update. Depending on how your account is set up, you'll either see an Actions menu next to the account or a Configure area with an Edit Signature option. Use Actions and choose Edit Default Signature, or click the Edit Signature link under Configure. Either path leads to the same editing interface where you can build or change the signature that appears on your outbound messages. Now you'll create or update your signature. HubSpot offers two editing modes. The Simple Editor provides a toolbar for formatting. Use it to set fonts, sizes, bold and italics, and to add links. This is great for quickly adding your name, title, phone number, website link, and social icons. If you want a polished visual, you can upload a logo or headshot. Aim for a modest file size and use common formats like PNG or JPG. Include descriptive alt text so recipients who can't load images still understand what you intended. If you prefer more control and already have a custom design, switch to the HTML tab and paste pre-coded HTML. This allows precise layout and styling, but be mindful that complex code can behave differently across email clients. Keep the HTML clean and test it broadly if you rely on advanced formatting. To personalize your signature for each recipient, use HubSpot's tokens. Insert tokens like contact first name, where you want the contact's first name to appear automatically. Tokens help make your messages feel more personal without repeating manual edits. When you're satisfied with how the signature looks, click Save to apply it. Your new signature will be attached to outbound emails from the connected account going forward. A quick tip: after saving, send yourself a test email to confirm formatting, image loading, and token behavior. That way, you can tweak spacing or links before your signature reaches real contacts. And remember to keep the signature concise and professional so it supports your message without overwhelming it.